Welcome back everyone. This is our third lecture in data science tutorial using Python. So in today's lecture, we will cover our third unit, that is exploratory data analysis, in which we will cover how to construct a bar graph with overlays using Python, construct contingency tables using Python, how to construct histograms with overlays, and the last one, that is how to perform binding based on predictive values. So in this video, we will cover up some data visualization techniques, as data visualization is a skill for anyone working with data, whether you are in business, science, or technology. So today we will explore four powerful techniques that will help you to transform raw data into meaningful insights. Dive in. Let's go to the what is data visualization techniques? Data visualization is a powerful tool for understanding and communicating insights from data. It allows us to see patterns, trends, and relationships that might be difficult to discern from raw data alone. So, in this presentation, we will explore some data visualization techniques like bar graph, contingency table, histogram, and binary. So, let's start with the first one, that is bar graph. So bar graphs are a classic way to visualize categorical data by overlaying multiple data sets. We can compare values side by side in bar graphs. For example, let's compare the test score of two groups. Here's the Python code of comparison, the groups. So here is first we will import matplot library, then we will import numpy library. So in first we will, in categories we will assign A, B, C, in which we will assign values 15. This is our group 1. Similarly, we will assign the values for group 2, and now we will plot the bar using the bar graph overlays. And in last we will print. So this is how it will print group 1, 15, 25, 35, 20, 30, 25. So this visuals makes easy to use, see trends and difference between the groups using Python. We can create these visuals with just a few lines of code. So with tools like Matplot library, you can adjust the colors, labels, and other elements to suit your needs. Now next we talk about contingency tables. So these tables summarizes the relationship between two categorical variables. For example, imagine tracking customer preference for two products by gender. So this simple table shows how male and female customer differs in their choice. Simply, we can create a Python using pandas like this code giving here in the this PPT. First, we will import pandas library, then assign the data gender in male, female, male. We will also write the preferences for products, and in last we will print the data. So this is the out this male one has two times product A and one product B. Similarly, females have one product A and one product B. There is a difference in both the categories. So just for by using contingency table, you can differ the choices of customer in the data. Now let's move on to histograms with overlays. So histograms help us understand the distribution of data by grouping it into bins. Overlaying two histograms let's compare like test scores of two different groups. So here's a Python code that generates these histograms. Now notice how two distributions are visually distinct. So first we will import matplot library and numpy array. Then we will assign the data for group 1 and group 2. And then we will use histogram function plot.hist to assign the data in the histogram form. So this will be our output group 1 normal distribution with mean 50 and standard deviation 10. And group 2 normal distribution with a mean 55 and normal deviation 12. So this technique is especially useful for spotting trends or anomalies in your data. Finally, let's talk about binding. Binding converts continuous data into discrete categories. For instances, we could group test scores into categories like low, medium, and high. In this slide, you can see in this graph, this is how is the graph low and high. So you can also represent this in Python by using pandas to automate this process. So here's is the code for this. First, we will import panda library, then assign the scores, then import it in panda library. Then we will assign the bin labels for marks. Let's for 0 low, 50 medium, and above 70 to 100 is high. So that's how we can assign this marks. This will be our output scores, bin ages, bin labels, low, medium, high. So binding is a simple yet effective way to reduce the complexity of continuous data. Like we can convert the data into many table forms so that we can easily easily ref, re- easily see that data and check whether data is correct or not. So this is all about data visualization. So data visualization is all about making your data tell a story. Whether you are comparing groups, analyzing distributions, or categorizing data, these techniques can help you to communicate your insights effectively. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your favorite data visualization tool or technique. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.